so many young marriages are not working. What might be the problem with the marriages?
Marriages are not working.
Yeah, marriages are not working.
You see, this is all frustration and media. You people, those who are connected to the media, you see, you can play a role. You see, bring peace in the society at every level. Even if they are matrimonial affairs or other social affairs, right? So if you are showing some programs, films, dramas and some other things which are giving the lesson, giving the message of, of your own right, then everyone will claim for their own right, men and women. But we say that according to Islamic teachings, you should give more emphasis on giving rights to others. If the responsibility, if they understand this thing, and everyone understands their responsibility, then they can live together amicably, husband and wife. Marriages are breaking because there is frustration. Women say that I have this much right. Man says this, you have to serve like this. So marriage is a bond. We should respect each other. Normally, when any new couple come to see me, I always advise them that, you see, everyone has the shortcoming. So when you see anything wrong in any other party and your spouse, then close your eyes, close your tongue, and it will be okay. Right?
Yeah, true.
So you have to increase your tolerance threshold.